Hi, this is Live with Tina. We're here with my living room granddaughter. Her birthday was yesterday, and we decided to give her a hair lesson.
Over here. So that's the cinch, and that's
the first and second.
The cinch is attached
to the other one.
So this is your latigo. So we're going to pull it down. And we're going to bring the cinch over here. And we're going to put this through. Oops. Drop the cinch. See how he stuck this foot out here? Yeah. He did it over there too. He's tricky. Yeah. He's a little tricky. Why is he not good? No. He's mischievous. Have you ever met an older person that's just kind of likes to play little games?
Henri.
Likes to play little games with you. So he's like, I'm just playing a little game. That's because I sent you up. Yes, honey. Good. No, he's just like, okay. We're going to do this. Yes, we're going to do this.
Yep. Just get 4, and the 5th one was free, but yep, 5 lessons. So we'll have 4 more after this. And she says before, or once, I guess at the end of the riding lesson, she'll be learning to saddle, train her horse. She'll be able to gallop and pick off galloping. She'll be balanced on one. I need to learn how to do one of them knots. You're going to have to teach me how to do one of them knots.
That's why it's called a big robber knot.
Yeah.
It's really easy. You take your loop.
Okay.
Come up. Here's your tail. You wrap it around and through. And then you daisy chain it.
Oh.
And then you can stick the tail through. And then you can just go.
That's pretty cool. I like that. I am videotaping it. It's on my YouTube channel.
Alright, so we're going to go out to the ground.
Woo, it's over here by the whole way.
So, alright. One thing you can never, ever do. Never grab your rope and do this. He takes off.
You're going with him. Let him go.
There's nothing. If he decides he's going to leave, unless you establish that you're the herd leader, there's nothing you can do. That's why we hold the rope. You get into trouble, you drop the rope. Hey, no. Oh no, he's just being nosy. All right, so that was an
can go this way. Oh, stop, stop.
Whoa.
Whoa, you gotta say whoa. Come here, Sissy.
Whoa.
Say whoa.
Whoa.
Hang on, let me get that. All right.
You say whoa, like you know what you're doing. Here, grab this.
So I'm going to show you. Do you know I can get this horse? I'm going to show you something about this horse. Listen to this. Let's go on this side of the fan. Go this way.
Hello,
All
Sackett.
right, so this horse, I can lead him. Sit down. Thank you.
Yeah.
There's that finger back up. And he gave me one step. Reward the try. So you always reward the try. Don't get greedy. So he gave me one step. There. Give me another step. So I'm going to take the pressure off and be like, okay, step. So this horse, you can, we're going to walk forward and I'll show you what you can do. So this, I'm going to make him stay 6 feet behind me. We're going to stop. So let's walk this way. And stop. What do you do? Stop. But I push energy backwards. You see it? I stop. Focus. So I'm pointing my feet and I put my shoulders back. Stop. Now I'm going to turn around. I'm going to ask him. Move. Or. Thank you. Now I'm going to walk back to my heels. I'm going to let him breath out. Because guess what? When you hold your breath, that's tension. They can feel tension. They can feel a fly land on it. They can feel you holding your breath while you're in the saddle. So if you hold your breath while you're on the horse, you've got a lot of tension, but when you release the breath, all that tension releases out of you, right? So we're going to go out to the round pen, and you're going to ask him to back up with just your energy. I'm going to see if I can get him to come to me.
Aurora, listen to what she's telling you. Don't worry about any of the horse.
Because she's bored and she lives in a swamp.
Okay, sister, pay attention to this horse.
So we're not, don't worry about those horses. We need to concentrate on this guy. Because that's what you're doing.
Right?
And then next week, and it looks like Thursday next week is the only day that's like 91 degrees.
Oh, of course so. Of course it is.
The rest of the
Week.
week is like 98. I know.
Oh my
Like
gosh.
my Monday lessons and my Wednesday lessons, I'm canceling because it's 98.
Are they during the day that you have
Yeah,
those?
if it's 98, that means, and as humid as it is up here, that heat index is.
Yeah.
And like I said, my ladies that I teach on Mondays and Wednesdays, they're elderly.
Yeah, they would.
They're
Yeah,
in
they would
their-
die.
Yeah, one's in their 80s, the other one's
Wow.
70s, so yeah. So, he speaks body language.
I know. I don't know what to
So
tell you.
to get him to back
I know.
up, I'm going to make him look at me and I'm going to go up my energy.
You see what she's doing,
Take a couple
Aurora?
steps. So now I'm going to ask him to come in. Give me a second.
You see what she's doing, Aurora?
Oh. Good boy. You're such a good boy. Good boy. I'm going to pet him. Because they love it when you reward them. Oh my gosh, you're still shedding. He's like, I'm shedding. I'm emitting fibers of joy. All right. So,
Okay, Aurora, listen what she says. Grab it.
grab the rope. Drop forward. You put the tail in your hand.
Look right here, sis. Watch her.
So, yeah, no, you can just put it in this hand. That's what you have to do. But you're going to walk forward.
He's looking at me like, what in the world are we doing?
Oh, turn around, look. He's like, oh, I'm backing up, girl. I'm backing up. I'm good. Good boy. All right, let's go.
That's funny.
See, you already know how to back him up with your energy.
That's funny. This is her first riding lesson.
Right, Zach, good boy. That's good.
Look here. Watch her, Aurora.
There you go. See how all I did was take a breath in, and I'm focused on his feet.
She's pretty good. I like her. This stable is incredible. I mean, look at that. That is Ivy. 2 flakes, 1 flake, 2 flakes. That's hilarious. I mean, gorgeous. They're gorgeous. That one's tall in the head, but not very tall in the head. Wow, beautiful. That's so crazy.
You have to go get your horses and more stuff.
I'm gonna, yeah, I keep telling him that we need more stuff for the. We did buy that senior feed, but you really need to put them down because they are so bony. It is crazy. I refuse to put them in my video. Period. I told myself, we're good, Jess.
She used to do classes for Pastor John.
Oh, really?
That's who that little girl was that I told you.
Wow. Now, here, I guess here. She did here?
Mm-hmm.
Man, it's been that long ago since Mike and them was, wow. Been gone.
Nope. We're gonna do this. So we're gonna hang this up here. Just pet it. He's like, okay, I'm not attached, but I'm okay. All right. So now, I want you to pull that out.